Today we are going to outline a photo. This will show you how to do the outlining of a photo. Here we are going to take the quick selection tool, and what you have to do is make a perfect selection of your image that you want to make the outline. Now select and mask. These measures are not universal. According to your preference, you can change those measures. Once you're done, hit OK. Now what you have to do is press Ctrl J, then it will make a new layer. Now you can see a new layer has been created. I'm going to rename it, and what you have to do is right click and choose the blending options, and next you go to the stroke option, and now follow what I'm doing. And again I'm telling that these measures are not unique and universal. It can be changed according to your preference. Now you can see outline has been created, and also you can change your color according to your preference. I will remain the color as white. Here you can increase your outline. Now I'm hitting OK. Now you can see I'm going to add a background for this photo. Select the move tool and bring it to the layer. Now you can see we have created the outline. Subscribe for more videos just like this.